if I can just ask you, we talk of fitness and movement. What does it really mean to you as a daily part of life and regime?
Well, mic check, sorry. It's all about just, for me, ever since I was, a child, I think, jahan tak mujhe yaad hai, when I was 4 years old, I saw a film called Enter the Dragon. And after seeing Bruce Lee, my life just changed. I said, that's what I want to be when I grow up and what I want to do for the rest of my life. And he just sparked that, trigger in me to just keep moving and to keep learning different skills. And then I saw Michael Jackson, and then I wanted to dance like Michael Jackson. And, I feel happiest when I'm moving. So, for me, it's just passion. It's just, for me, that's what I want to be.
I think, Tiger, you should talk more about it, and I'll then say how that process worked out. Yeah.
Well, I just thought that the whole concept of ready to move, what better way to do it than through a music video or through a form of dance, if not a form of, some sort of an action or some sort of sport. But music being such a big element in our industry, especially the entertainment industry, I thought, why not express our vision through that medium. And music also tracks a lot, especially with the youngsters and the youth, who are primarily our target audience. And we don't want to sound preachy or anything, so I thought it was done in a fun manner, and to do it this way was just, bringing in the youth element and the fun element with it.
And then,
so I'm just going to add to this. So before people, even bring up the question of how does Tiger get involved in Prowl, essentially the first conversation was around music, right? And we initially wanted to have music which was very rap and street, because we think that is very cool with the youth. And he was very clear about the fact that it's very counterculture. It is a niche, and but it is alienating a large part which our brand should not. So our brand should talk to a larger audience. It should be unabashedly Bollywood. If we have 3 tempos, if we have 3 ranges, we have a low intensity, mid intensity, high intensity. Can the music mirror that? We had 2 or 3 different compositions which were put together initially. He was not very happy with any of them. And the one that he was very happy with, and which got the greatest amount of applause, and about trending right now at about 26 odd, million likes, and it will continue to do this till about 45, 50 or more, is the fact that the one that he liked the most in terms of the tune and all of that was completely Tiger. And we were just free falling with his belief. And his effort at the day of the shoot and how he went about doing that is all what comes into play every day with Prowl.
Excellent. And I believe you took it to the next level with the Ready to Move challenge. Would you just like to tell us what it was, and then we'll share a montage with our guests?
Well, if you saw in the video, there was a hook step. So basically, I just threw out that challenge to fans and friends and family, and the social media family, of course. I just did the hook step for them, and I said, so guys, I challenge you to do this with me. And there's an app on Musical.ly, there's TikTok and stuff like that. So I involve them in there as well. And if you see, there are a lot of entries, a lot of hashtag Ready to Move. If you type in Ready to Move on Twitter, Google, or Instagram, you'll just see a bunch of these hashtags. And if you click on them, you just see a million entries. And you can see all these guys and girls, of course, just dancing with me, alongside me. And it's a fun visual to see.
Wonderful. And what it's essentially done is that it's taken a piece of content and made it a 2-way communication, which has just been absolutely phenomenal. One more question for you, Tiger. As co-owner Prowl, what really do you want to achieve with brand Prowl?
Just to, express my philosophies and my beliefs, and a lot of people keep coming out to me and asking me how I stay fit. So through the Prowl workout, I want that Prowl workout to reach as many people, and I want them, to just be empowered, and I want them to feel that they're as good as, they can be better and better every day. They can be the better version of themselves every day. And I want them to know that, you know, the things that I can do are not impossible to achieve. I mean, you just try the workout, it's everything I believe in, and it's just it's a fusion of everything that I do, and if you just keep at it, and consistency is the key. I mean, we're all humans, we all have, you know, the same powers, 2 arms, 2 legs, so, you know, it's not like you're at a disadvantage. So just keep at it, and as for the superhero costume that I call it, this is the uniform that you guys have to go and, you know, get to feel empowered and to feel, and I'm not just saying that because I'm you know, part owner of this, but because I truly believe in the material and truly believe in what I'm wearing right now. It's like a second skin, it's very comfortable, and if you're into, you know, sports and athletics, then I think this is definitely the future. And I don't want to talk much about it or brag about it. I want the audiences to sort of give us their feedback and what they believe in once they try it on.
Wonderful. Thank you. And thank you all for joining us today.
आप बताइए सर. आज एक्चुअली हमने प्राउल एक्टिव वेयर लॉन्च किया है आज, और मेरा एक्टिव वेयर ब्रांड है, जिगी सर का एक्टिव वेयर ब्रांड है, और आई हैव पार्टनर्ड विद मोजो स्टार फॉर दिस ब्रांड, एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट रेडी टू मूव हमारा जो स्लोगन है, एक स्लोगन है दैट आई बिलीव इन, खासकर क्योंकि मेरे जो वर्कआउट्स है ज़्यादातर मूवमेंट बेस्ड होते हैं, तो या दैट्स pretty much it. What about you?
वो चैलेंज आपका काफ़ी फेमस हुआ था, टाइगर देखा,
रेडी टू मूव चैलेंज
भी किया था और पार्टिसिपेट किया था. क्या कहना चाहिए उस चैलेंज के बारे में? इस थॉट का आइडिया कहाँ से आया?
ये मुझे याद है फ्लाइंग जेट का टाइम पे बीट पे बूटी गाना जो था, वो गाना का एक चैलेंज किए थे हमने, तो वहाँ से आइडिया आया, और फिर रिसेंटली वो की चैलेंज भी हुआ था, तो आई थिंक बिकॉज पीपल लाइक टेकिंग अप चैलेंजेस, एंड यू नो स्पेशली द यूथ आर वेरी फ्रेंडली इन पार्टिसिपेटिंग. हमने एक रेडी टू मूव चैलेंज भी दिया सबको, और मैंने बेसिकली एक हुक स्टेप किया उसका, रेडी टू मूव जो हुक स्टेप है, अगर आपने गाना देखा अभी, तो उसका जो हुक स्टेप चैलेंज किया सबको, और दैट्स इट. एंड पीपल आर काइंड इनफ टू डू द हुक स्टेप एंड सेंड इन द एंट्रीज, सो तो काफ़ी लोग ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, और बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ, क्योंकि यू नो we've had so much love with the music video ready to move, so thank you so much. Thank you.
इसके अलावा टाइगर आपके काफ़ी फैंस हैं जो आपको फॉलो करते, देखा जाए तो फिर डांस की बात करें, फिटनेस की बात करें, क्या कहना चाहिए उनके बारे में, और फिटनेस टिप्स के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
फिटनेस टिप्स के बारे में अगर बात करूँ तो बहुत कॉमन चीज़ है आजकल. फिटनेस हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री बहुत वास्ट है, तो आई थिंक सबके पास वो नॉलेज ऑलरेडी है, वो खाली अपने आप पे इस्तेमाल करना है अभी, तो इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट, जस्ट अप्लाइंग व्हाट यू नो. डांस के बारे में अगर बात करें, मूवमेंट के बारे में अगर बात करें, तो आई थिंक प्राउल जो ब्रांड है एक बहुत ही होलिस्टिक फिटनेस ब्रांड है. प्राउल वर्कआउट्स जो है हमारे सेंटर्स में, कल्ट फिटनेस इज़ व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड, कल्ट फिटनेस में ये प्राउल वर्कआउट जो है एक मूवमेंट बेस्ड वर्कआउट है, और उसमें डांस, मार्शल आर्ट्स, फंक्शनल फिटनेस का कॉम्बिनेशन है. तो आई थिंक it's basically Prowl is basically designed through all of my beliefs and through all of what I train in.
इसके अलावा स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर के बाद में आपके ऋतिक के साथ मूवी आने वाली है,
हाँ जी,
जानना चाहूँगा कितने एक्साइटेड है ऋतिक के साथ में काम करने के लिए?
मैं ऋतिक सर का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, सबको पता ही है, एंड अभी फ़िलहाल तो टाइम है, अक्टूबर 2 को रिलीज़ होने वाली है, तो फ़िलहाल मैंने बस अभी मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन एक्शन शूट किया है, और काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग था, बहुत अलग किस्म का एक्शन करने की कोशिश की हमने इसमें, तो बस अभी इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ अक्टूबर के लिए, क्योंकि अक्टूबर से हमारी शेड्यूल शुरू होने वाली है.
क्या ऋतिक और आपके बीच में क्या फाइट है, क्या है, थोड़ा कुछ
वो तो आपको बहुत जल्दी है ना, थोड़ा चांस तो वेल आपको क्या मत पूछना कुछ? ओके, यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग?
I just basically want to ask you, my wife wants me to look a little more like you.
Oh, okay.
So how do I go about it?
Well,
I'm a middle-aged man at 100 kgs. How do I?
You don't look 100 kgs.
I don't know.
Yeah, but that's a good thing. But just tell your wife that if she truly loves you, then that shouldn't matter. Yeah.
She should buy me
But
Prowl.
yeah, she should definitely buy you the Prowl wear, because that'll make you look like a superhuman already. And do the Prowl workout as well. Yeah.
और बाकी 3 कब तक आ रही है कुछ?
बाकी 3 सर अप्रैल 2020 का सोच रहे हैं, देखते हैं अभी।